Bhushangi here, and I'm from Anand. And as my friend said all about the college, it's very nice over here. We have a very great faculty, and they are very helpful, and even they guide us very well. Even they tell that you need to refer these papers, you need to have contacts with Filipinos and all. Apart from the college, the Dagupan city, it's very peaceful city. We have a good environment here, and it's very safe here. It's not like other things or other parts of Philippines, which our parents generally think that it's not safe, not good for girls and all. But it's very nice over here. And about the food, we get Gujarati food over here, which it feels like it's our homemade food, and it's nice. And we get all the necessities and which are necessary for us, and all the things which were told in India are given over here. So that's it. And you are most welcome here. It's very nice. Be free and come here as soon as you can. Thank you.
Hello friends, I'm myself Om Patel, and I am here sitting in the canteen of our Irma education. The education system is very well. The professor guides us in a better way. No biasness regarding among students that we are Filipinos or Indians, whatever it is. We are all equal for them, and they teach us in very best way. As my friend said, Kaushal, the practical is more prominent here regarding the theoretical knowledge, because it gives and boosts up our confidence very well. And after completing our BS Bio, we are going to enter into our medicine after being an advanced examination. So it will help us a lot, and you can say it's a golden door to US, because it's this course here that we are going to do here is acceptable all over the world, not only in US, and it's a good course. As you can say, after spending a lot of money in India, 40 to 45 lakhs, you don't even get admission in MBBS, but you can do here and fulfill your dream to become a doctor. So you are all welcome here. Thank you.
Hello, it's me, Burhanuddin. I'm from Dahod, Gujarat. As my friend said, that this place is very great. The university of ours is very good. The professors here are very good, and the education system is very good over here. The professors concentrate more on the practical than the theory work. We have more assignments are given to us so that we improve very well in our studies. And this place is very good. Our hostel is very nearby our university, so it's not much far away. The atmosphere here is good. The food which we get is all Indian over here, Gujarati mostly. So we don't feel homesick. It's like nearly our home over here. Mr. Prabhakar here is there with us. Mr. Umesh is there with us to take care of us, and we feel great over here. Thank you.
હેલો, હું કૃતિકા, હું પાલનપુરથી છું, એન્ડ હું અહીંયા MBBS અહીંયા BS બાયો કોર્સ અને એના પછી MBBS માટે આવી છું. એમ જો ગુજરાતમાં ઓછા પર્સન્ટેજ હોય તો પછી MBBS માટે ખૂબ ડોનેશન આપીને કઈ રીતે કરવું પડે, અને તો પણ ગુજરાતમાં એડમિશન લેવું થોડું અઘરું છે. તો અહીંયા આપણને 50% હોય તો પણ અહીંયા એડમિશન મળી રહે છે, અને અહીંયા એ ગુજરાત કરતાં ઇવન ઇન્ડિયા કરતાં થોડું ઓછું એક્સપેન્સિવ હોય છે. એના કારણે અહીંયા એ MBBS કરવું એ થોડું ફાયદાકારક થાય છે. એન્ડ વી કેન સે દેટ અહીંયા હોમ સિકનેસ જેવું કંઈ થતું નથી, કારણ કે અહીંયા મોસ્ટ ઓફ હોસ્ટેલમાં મોસ્ટ ઓફની આઈ થિંક આઈ સેટ દેટ અહીંયા બધા ગુજરાતી જ છે. એન્ડ અહીંયા ગુજરાતી ફૂડ, ઇવન જો કોઈ જૈન હોય તો એમના માટે પણ અહીંયા ફૂડ અવેલેબલ છે. મારી એક ફ્રેન્ડ છે અહીંયા જે ડુંગળીને લસણ નથી ખાતી, તો એને પણ અહીંયા મળી રહે છે જમવાનું જેવું એ છે. એન્ડ પ્યોર ગુજરાતી ફૂડ અને અહીંયા મળી રહે છે. અને I think the faculty and the college is very good, very best. And walking distance એટલા જ અંતરે છે હોસ્ટેલથી કોલેજ, તો એવું પણ કંઈ નથી કે આપણે ના જઈ શકીએ કોલેજ. એન્ડ કોલેજમાં બહુ બધું સરસ છે, એન્ડ this place very much.
my name is Padmik. I am from Amreli. I am just now sitting in the restaurant which is organized by our consultancy in my education. Here we get all our lunch, dinner, breakfast, and it's pure vegetarian, which is also in Gujarati dish. It's very good food here. Also, our university lies in Northwestern University, which is located in Dhurban city. It's a very good university. It has a great campus. It has great professors. The people here are very good, and the university is at walking distance from our apartment. And in our apartment or hostel, it's not like any typical hostel. We get all our facilities here. And for early students, I like to give a message that the nuisance in spread by a person is not true. This university MCL recognized, WHO recognized, and it's a very good university. And it's been studied in English. But that nuisance is not to be paid real attention, because if you come here, then you will be fulfilled your the commitment given by Mr. Prabhakar sir. Thank you.
Hi, it's me again, and I would like to add something that this college is NCA approved and it's also WHO approved, and I would like to say that it's better than Russia and China because the Philippines it has a climate like us, and it gives all the facilities which are not given in India even, like the practical thing, the anatomy thing. It's given here in the first year itself, which we are not given in the India. And the practical knowledge it's like very good, and in Russia and China it's given dummy thing and these things. We have the dead bodies which is given in the first year itself. And apart from this also the
English language.
and the English language. The common language over here is English. So throughout the 5 years course we have the English, and even the localites knows the English, and we don't need to study the local language for even the internship also. And the climate, yes, of course. The climate is just same as the tropical region we have it in India. So the diseases are the common ones, which is not there. It's not possible in the cold countries like where there is snow. So we don't have malaria or cholera like that. We have the diseases like malaria, cholera, jaundice over here. So we get the practical knowledge for that thing, and so that whenever we have to face that in India, we won't have difficulty for that. So it's similar to India. It's better than other countries, I feel. So yeah, thank you.